Hey guys, we are at Hollywood Studios today for her birthday, and we're gonna go do the Savi Workshop, making your own lightsaber thing. Never done that before, but she gets to because it's her birthday. Yeah, so come join our lightsaber adventure. Oh yeah. So we're a little early, so we got this drink at the Blue Milk Station. It's called a Tenno Swirl. It has raspberry, blue milk, and popping, or not popping candy, crunchy candy. So it's like nerds with jelly, with raspberry jelly and blue milk. And he said to mix it to get all the tastes together. So let's mixy and then drinky. Let's try this. I just spilled it on myself. Ow, I got blue milk on me. But that tastes really good. All I do is taste the blue milk though. I don't really taste anything else. Maybe I'll taste them later. Then I'll let you know.
We didn't even have any of those on the trip. We just had TK and Kiri. Loose ground what you can. Especially because Jakku was the last turn.
See any action in there?
No, nothing. I wish.
So this is what you get when you check in. It's like pretty much looks like a menu for like a restaurant, but it's a lightsaber instead. And then on the back, pause to read it if you want to read it. But yeah, so she gets to make one of these. This is what you get when you go, and this is your ticket to get into the workshop over there. So.
I know it's a lot, but to us it is everything. Now I see you have met my fellow gatherers. Yes, very good. And you may call me Kembe. Now to some of you this might look like a lot of old junk. Let me assure you, some of this is new junk actually. But for a good reason, so allow me a moment to explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. We travel to forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here, to our workshop. So, where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may be the key to ensuring our future. Now, speaking of the past, I'm sure you are familiar with the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes. Okay, very good. Because I would have been a little bit concerned if you said otherwise. Now, some may say his kind is extinct, but we hear there is another. A new Jedi. A scrapper much like we are. Do any of you know her name?
Rey.
Correct, my friend. Rey. Well, Rey is leading the spark of hope we've been waiting for so long, and that is why you are here. To look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. Today, you will feel that connection. But not if I keep talking. So, let us begin. We'll begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber, and the color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. You might recognize these from some of the greatest Jedi stories throughout history, like the blue crystal, wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now we hear Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn. Ahsoka Tano. Master Yoda himself. And, of course, Luke Skywalker. Violet crystal. Rare and beautiful. Like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Which leads us, of course, to red. By many, it has been called the color of power. The crystal Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. These are stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. So now it's time for you to choose your kyber crystal. So builders, close your eyes and picture it. Think of what color you see in your mind. What color calls to you? What color is yours? Trust in your instincts. Trust in the Force. Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. And remember, the crystal may be choosing you.
Green. Who would have guessed?
I knew that.
And as these boxes are being presented in front of you, make sure those components remain inside the boxes just for a few moments longer. Alright, now, in a moment you begin building the hilt, the foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control. It's also the part that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. So plates, grips, emitters, and pommel caps. Now, building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you've chosen your kyber crystal, you will now select each part that makes up your own unique lightsaber. We, the gatherers, are here to guide you should you need any of our assistance. But I think it is time, so without further ado, let's build.
We're going to start with our chassis. It's going to be the long gray part and your kyber crystal. So go ahead and pick your kyber crystal up. You're going to find the pointed end of your kyber crystal. You're going to push it to the top of your lower part, in the middle. You're going to notice it's kind of a spring. And then you're going to snap the bottom part into it. Kind of notice that. If you need help, just let me know. That's a complicated part. Once you have, okay, looks good. I'm just going to take this look. Looks good. You're going to pick one of the two sets of switches. On the back of the switches, you're going to notice that there's a red and a blue square. You're going to lay that over the red and blue square on your chassis. And then once you have those put in, I want you to push up on the switch. Do you hear a spark? Okay, push it back down.
You did it.
I did it. So now, this is where you pick your two grips. This gold bar is going to go towards your switch on both the top and the bottom. Okay? You're going to put 2 out of the 4. The gold bar is going to go towards your switch. Yep. Screw it on. I'm assuming. What?
Screw it in.
Yeah.
Are you trying to figure out the
Yes. Yes.
where you want it to be?
Yes. Kidding me. I'm so done with this. Once you have the two that you like, you're going to just kind of twist until it tightens. Push and twist.
And then once those grips are secure, you can choose an emitter from column number 3 for the top of your lightsaber.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. And then you're going to pick one of these two for the bottom. If you're having a hard time with it, just kind of, there we go, there. Now it's going. Okay, once you have the top. This is nice. It's good weight to it.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's heavy. Good lord.
Yeah. Are you happy with the pieces you've selected, Rachel? Okay. I'm going to just do a quick safety check, make sure everything looks good. And it was green that you picked, right? Okay, when Kimbe says to activate, you're going to push the switch up to activate it and push it back down to deactivate. Okay? Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
These pieces, because they come from an age when saber building was much more of an art form. It's been lost over the years in many ways, but through sabers like this and people like you, Rachel, I can tell it is being preserved, so very well done. And what crystal did you select? Was there a specific reason you chose that one?
I'm a big Ahsoka Tano fan.
I see that.
My idol.
Good, a good inspiration to have. Can I tell you about the Jedi legend that your lightsaber actually reminds me of? She's not Ahsoka Tano, but she's similar in greatness, I will say. Now, these pieces come from the age of the High Republic, so hundreds of years ago. So I'm reminded, of course, of the Jedi legend of Avar Kriss. Have you ever heard of her? She was a Jedi, again, like I said, during the times of the High Republic. They referred to her as the hero of Hetzal, one of the greatest Jedi of her generation. So, perhaps you're destined to follow in that same greatness. We'll just have to wait and see on that. But the green for Ahsoka Tano is also, I think you've chosen very wisely if that's the case for your inspiration. So nice work.
Thank you.
Yay.
So reach your hand out to your lightsaber hilts and take this moment to be still, to feel that connection, to reflect, to focus, and to listen. Very well done, my friends. You have completed your hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened. Which is a good thing, which leads us now to the most dangerous stage in the process. So I'm going to ask you to leave your hilts on your stations and to step back for me. As far back as you can go, if you will. Just be a little bit careful though, because some of the crates that are lining the walls behind you are holding things that are, well, for lack of better words, either mildly explosive or highly toxic. But trust me, that is not what we need to worry about. For now, I hope. Now, you might be looking around and wondering what we, the gatherers, are doing. We are placing your lightsaber hilts into the crystal stabilization chambers. And we are doing this to stabilize the crystals. I know, it's a very clever name indeed. Now, in a more traditional lightsaber build, a Jedi would typically use their... What's happening?
Many parts silver now. Joined they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda. Indeed, it is time to take the next step. We have reached the final stage. The bond between lightsaber and builder is about to be forged. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to come forward. Place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber, and then, on my signal, we will activate them together. Are you ready?
Yes.
And it is time. Come forward. Place your hands on your hilts and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Well done, my friends. Now, carefully deactivate and lower your lightsabers for the time being.
Complete your lightsaber age. Like your way it can, but we do, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your new lightsaber, we are pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Now, our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It is time for you to make your mark on the galaxy. And remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsabers you have created. Who knows? Perhaps next time, we'll be telling your story. Now, one last time, raise your sabers and activate. Till the spire!
Till the spire!
My friends, I wish you all safe travels and true adventure. We'll be exiting the workshop right through this doorway to continue.
So we did the saber, we ate some lunch, and now we're gonna go ride Toy Story Mania. And I've been working out, so it shouldn't hurt that much. It probably still hurt, but let's see. My goal is to beat her because I never beat her, so that's my goal. Are you ready? Are you gonna try to beat me? Okay, so moment of truth. Let's see what I got. 234,100. Woo! Now we just have to see what the highest score of the thing was. 24,243,100. 243, 100. Woo! I did it! I did it! We did it! Woo! I beat her! Yeah! I won. I am victorious. I didn't get the best hour, which I've never done. I think that was my best score ever. Well, that was a fun day at Hollywood Studios making her lightsaber. Did you have fun making your lightsaber?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
One of the best experiences ever.
Ever! So, we'll see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.